Same way, the pain. People come and tell me, Swamiji, last 20 years I have knee pain. No, it cannot be. Please understand, it cannot be. I am not disrespecting you or adding more suffering to you by saying all problems are in your head. No, I am not disrespecting you. I am just telling you the truth. All problems are in your head. Please understand, I am not disrespecting you by saying, I am just stating the truth. The knee pain which you experienced 2 years ago, the knee pain which you experienced 1 year ago, the knee pain which you experienced 2 months ago, the knee pain which you experienced 2 hours ago, are independent experiences. When you connect them and see, you stop the possibility of self-healing. Please understand, you stop the possibility of self-healing. Whether you believe it or not, medical science proves your body constantly updates itself and replaces itself once in every 365 days. Even your brain cells are replaced once in 365 days. The intestine is replaced once in 47 days. Every organ is replaced within particular number of days. If you are carrying a particular disease for quite a long time, it means you have a strong belief it is a continuous shaft. It is a continuous experience. Your unconscious belief something is a continuous experience forces your mind to bring the same pain and disease back. For example, once in 47 days your intestine gets replaced completely. Understand? I am not saying, Ayurveda is not telling. If Ayurveda says, you won't believe. Medical science is telling. The logical, allopathy medical science is saying, once in 47 days, your intestine cells are completely replaced. If you are carrying any disease related to more than 47 days, even the new system which you created with a mental setup, I have this problem, so I have to have this problem. Strong belief, you have this problem, naturally you will say, if new intestine is given to you, no, this is not mine, bring mine. This is not mine, bring mine. Have you heard the story in those days? At a young age, one woodcutter was there, he was cutting a tree near the river and his axe fell in the water. One goddess appeared and she brought a golden axe and asked, is it yours? He said, no. Then she brought silver. She asked, is it yours? He said, no. Then she brought his axe made out of iron. She asked, is it yours? He said, yes, it is mine. Then she is very pleased and she handed over all the three. You would have heard the story. Understand, in that story, it is okay. But I wanted to tell you the extension of the story. Now second edition has come. Same hunter was cutting the tree on the same river. He was being assisted by his wife. Suddenly by mistake the wife fell in the river. And the goddess appeared, brought a beautiful woman, young, beautiful, then the wife, and asked, is she your wife? This guy said, yes. And goddess got very annoyed and she got angry. How dare you, greedy fellow? Last time with the axe you told the truth, but now with the wife you are telling the lie. He says, no, you don't understand my problem. Last time you asked first gold, then silver, then my axe. When I said it is mine, you gave all three. Now again if you give 3 women to me, what will I do? I know with one what suffering I am going through. That is the reason I took precautious steps. I just wanted to stop with one. Anything is okay, but just send one, not second. Anyhow, just like how the goddess is asking, something better than yours, is it yours? Same way, every time, the Parashakti is asking, is this your new body? She is creating new body, the nature, the self-healing energy which resides in you. That is what is Parashakti. your mother's part. Understand? The energy which is inside your body and rejuvenates yourself is the part contributed to you by your mother. It's from your mother, Parashakti. Your mother is a representation of the cosmic mother. So when cosmic mother comes and says, is this new intestine is yours? You say, no, bring my old one. Your mental setup is such. We strongly believe the depression or disease is a shaft happening inside us. It is not. It is not. The depression you experienced 10 years ago, the depression you experienced 9 years ago, the depression you experienced 8 years ago are independent, unconnected incidents, experiences. When you connect all of them and see, you created a pain shaft, depression shaft. Oh, my life is depression. Now, you are ready to get defeated by the unknown enemy.